If you just searched for Go High Level free trial and you found this video, I need you to watch this before you do anything else. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you 3 things that Go High Level's own website doesn't tell you up front. I'm going to show you exactly what to do in your first 48 hours to make sure you actually get value from the trial, and make sure that if Go High Level is right for you, you sign up the right way so you're set up for success from day one. I've personally helped a ton of folks get started on High Level. I know exactly where people get confused, where they give up, and more importantly, where the people who succeed do things differently. This video is going to save you hours of frustration. Hey, I'm Don Bassler. Welcome to Second Wind Strategies. This channel is all about building real income in your 50s and beyond. And Go High Level is one of those core tools I recommend because it's genuinely powerful once you know how to use it. But like any tool, there's a right way and a wrong way to get started. Let's do this the right way. So, what is Go High Level? Quick overview for anyone who's brand new. Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing and business automation platform. It was originally built for marketing agencies, companies that manage marketing for multiple businesses, but it's become incredibly popular for individual entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and small business owners because of how much it can do and how simply it can do it. In one platform, you get a CRM, that's a customer relationship manager, basically a contact database, email marketing, text message marketing, funnel builder, website builder, appointment booking, social media posting, AI chatbots, AI voice agents, reputation management, and more. If you're currently paying for 5 or 6 different tools, Go High Level can replace most or all of them, all in one single software. The pricing after the trial is $97 a month for the starter plan or $297 a month for the pro plan. Now the pro plan is where most people doing what I teach end up using because it includes all the sub-accounts you need, unlimited, and you can manage multiple clients through it. But here's the thing. You start with a 30-day free trial, so you have a full month to figure out if it works for you before you even have to pay anything. So how to sign up the right way. Here's the first thing I want you to know, and it's practical. How you sign up matters. When you go to the Go High Level website and start a free trial, you can sign up directly or you can sign up through an affiliate link. I'm going to tell you to use my affiliate link, and I'm going to be totally transparent with you about why. When you sign up through my link, I get credit for that referral. That's how I make money as a Go High Level affiliate. And this channel and the free training I provide is funded by those commissions. But here is what's truly in it for you. When you sign up through my link, you get direct access to me. I'm not some random person. I check in with people who sign up under me. I answer questions in my weekly live Q&A and private collab community, and I have tutorials specifically built for my audience. I also hand over to you pre-made websites, funnels, AI voice assistants, missed call text back cost calculator, all my scripts, snapshots, which are pre-built systems, an AI voice assistant course, everything pre-built, ready to be installed immediately into your account. With me, you have everything you need to get started right away, and you never get stuck. There's a link in the description right down below. Click it. Start your trial. You still get the same 30 days free. Same platform, same features, but you get me in your corner. And the best part is that I help you get your first client fast. So your software is basically free, and it's all monthly recurring profit from there on. Now, what do I want you to do in your first 48 hours? Most people sign up for Go High Level and immediately feel overwhelmed because there's just so much in there. They click around for an hour, they get confused, and they never come back. Don't be that person. Here's exactly what to do in your first 48 hours. 1, set up your agency profile. The moment you log in, you're inside what GHL calls the agency view. This is your master account. go to the settings and fill in your business name, your logo if you have one, your contact information. Don't overthink this. You can use your own name as the business name for now. Just get it set up so the platform feels like it's yours. And 2, create your first sub-account. In the left sidebar, you'll see sub-accounts. Click on it and create one. A sub-account is a workspace for one client or for your own business if you're using GHL for yourself. Name it something simple. This is where you're going to build and run things for your own business. Think of the agency view as the control tower of an airport and the sub-accounts as the individual airplanes that you're managing. Inside the sub-account, explore the left sidebar. You'll see contacts, conversations, opportunities, calendars, marketing, automations. Don't try to master all of it on day one. Just click through each section once so that you know where things are. Then set up missed call text back. This is the feature I recommend everyone set up first because it's the easiest to understand and the easiest to sell. Go to the sub account, click on settings and find the missed call text back feature, turn it on. Set a message, something like, hey, sorry, Mr. Call, I'm with someone right now. What can I help you with? Just turn it on, save it, you're done. You now have a live working automation that is protecting your business from missed calls. That took maybe 1 minute max. And that one feature, if you package it up and sell it to a local business, is worth $200 to $300 a month in recurring monthly income. That's where a lot of my students start, just that one feature. Then on day 2, go to the AI agent section. This is where the voice agents and AI chat lives. Build a basic AI chat widget. By the way, built one for you already. Ask it a few questions, see how it responds, play with the settings. And this is the most popular feature right now that can really scale your business significantly once you get it set up. Again, I have it all set up for you. When you join with me, you get all of this pre-built. And I have full tutorial videos on my channel here that walk through each of these features in much more detail. After you watch this video, just scan through all my videos here and you'll find multiple step-by-step high-level walkthroughs. And then here's the 5 mistakes that beginners make, and I don't want you to make them. Mistake 1, trying to learn everything before you even get started. Go High Level has hundreds of features. If you try to master all of them before you get your first client or before you set up your first thing, you will probably just end up getting stuck. Pick one feature, missed call text back or AI agent. Get comfortable with it, start using it, and learn the rest as you need it. Mistake 2 is not connecting a phone number early. So Go High Level requires a phone number to use texting and outbound calling features. You'll be prompted to set up a phone number inside the platform and just do it. It only costs $1.15 per month and it's essential. Do this your first week. A lot of people skip it and then they wonder why the automation features aren't working for them. So just get it done. It'll require A2P verification, but if you just follow the prompts, it's a no-brainer. Mistake 3 is choosing the wrong plan. If you're planning to use Go High Level just for your own business, one company, one set of contacts, then that starter plan at $97 a month is fine for you. But if you're planning to offer and manage services for multiple clients, like I do, like I suggest you do, you need the Pro plan at $297 a month because that gives you unlimited sub-accounts. Make sure you know which you need before your trial ends so you don't end up with the wrong plan. Take my advice and just choose the $297 Pro plan from the start. And when you do, just send me an email to let me know because I help you get your first paying client right away. That makes your plan virtually free, and then you quickly scale up from there. Mistake number 4 is not watching tutorial content. Go High Level has its own YouTube channel, and there's a huge library of community tutorials there, including mine. The platform is intuitive once you understand the logic of it, but that logic is different from other software you might have used. Spend time watching my videos here. Every hour of tutorial time saves you 5 hours of trial and error. And make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do, I'll share my private link that hooks you up with all the bonus goodies that I've promised you here today. Mistake 5 is waiting for perfect before pitching a client. And this is the big one. People spend weeks perfecting their setup before they approach their first potential client. Meanwhile, nothing is generating income. And you only need to know 1 or 2 features well to land your first client. The AI voice assistant side hustle demo takes just 10 minutes and it closes deals. Start pitching right away when you get your trial. Don't wait until everything is perfect, because perfect never comes. And I'm always honest here. Go high level is not for everyone. If you're a procrastinator or just a tire kicker, not an action taker, or if you aren't motivated or have an interest in making money, it's not going to work for you. If you're looking for a magic button that prints money while you sleep with 0 effort, this isn't that either. But if you are someone who is willing to put in a few focused hours a week, who wants to build a real and exciting recurring monthly income business, helping real estate agents or other local businesses, and who is committed to learning a tool that pays for itself many times over, this is for you. Go High Level is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. I've seen people build $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month and up in recurring income with this platform. It's not rare, it's real. It does take some work, but it's absolutely worth it. Okay, if you've been thinking about Go High Level and this video helped clear things up for you, here's your next move. Click the link in the description. That's my affiliate link for the 30-day free trial. Get signed up right now while you're thinking about it. In your first 24 hours, do the 3 things I told you. Set up your agency profile, create your sub account, and turn on missed call text back. And if you want my personal guidance as you build this, which you do, you'll also want to join my private collab group. I'm in there answering questions and posting strategy and helping members land their first clients quickly. And I'll send you that link after you email me telling me that you signed up. All right, so if this video was helpful to you, hit that like button and subscribe so you get my weekly strategy videos. And drop a comment below. Just let me know what's the main thing you want to use Go High Level for. I promise you, I read and reply to every comment. Go High Level absolutely changed my business and lifestyle, and I've watched it change a lot of other people's too. The trial costs you nothing. The upside is real, and dare I say it's fun making this exciting monthly recurring and scalable income? Go get started. I'll be right here when you need me. See you in the next video.
That was easy.